Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID locked. Your Apple ID has been locked for security reason. To unlock it, you must verify your identity. So guys, if you are trying to sign in your Apple ID on your Apple device but you are facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it and how can you unlock your account. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software. After this, go back and tap on language and region and select your country or region from here correctly. After this, go back and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and now you have to open the sport app on your Apple device and from here scroll it below and now you have to tap on Apple account from here. You can see this and now tap on disabled Apple account and from here you have to simply tap on this account is locked or Apple ID is locked. Here you have to simply tap on get started from here and after this you have to simply follow the instructions and after this hopefully your account will be unlocked. So guys, in this way you can also unlock your Apple account if it is locked. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.